The Pulsair RWF series is an interesting heating solution. Above all, it's a very reliable product when it comes to heating tight spaces where it's not easy to install traditional baseboard heaters. Now, this is the case in tiny bathrooms, in entrances, in areas where the walls are located beside patio doors, or in small powder rooms. The Pulsair model is an extremely efficient forced air unit to use in places where the cold air rushes into the house. Because no matter what your current home heating system is, it's practically impossible to keep the cold air from rushing in when doors are constantly being opened and closed. In addition, the cold air has a tendency to collect at floor level. This is a natural phenomenon because cold air is heavier than hot air. In fact, the Pulsair was specifically designed to counter the cold air that accumulates in your home. This unit sucks in the cold air, rapidly heats it, then propels it back towards the floor. This action results in a more comfortable ambient air temperature and less heating costs for you. This line of products offers different capacities varying between 500 and 2,000 watts, so you can simply choose the model that best suits your needs. Another interesting detail, the Pulsair is also the most quiet running of all forced air units now available on the market. And no matter which model you choose, the Pulsair is discreet and integrates into any decor. Its quality construction is also an interesting point. The front panel is extremely rigid, plus all corners are rounded, which adds to its safety and good looks. And I don't know if you've noticed, but once it's installed, you can hardly see the motor inside. In addition, the Pulsair is offered in different colors, namely white, almond, and silver. Its finish is similar to stainless steel. The Pulsair offers various control methods. The most common is the wall-mounted thermostat. I strongly recommend using an electronic thermostat. It's the most accurate, the rooms are more comfortable, and you make savings in the long run. A word of caution, not all electronic thermostats are compatible with forced air heaters like the Pulsair. Make sure that you buy a compatible electronic thermostat. I suggest you read the instructions carefully before you buy one. In addition, the conventional thermostat that is sometimes called copper weld or bimetal is also compatible with the Pulsair. However, even though technically it does the job, the conventional thermostat is less accurate than its electronic counterpart. As such, it offers a little less comfort and doesn't provide any significant savings, except, of course, at time of purchase. In case it's impossible to run wires to a wall-mounted thermostat, it sometimes happens, there is a thermostat that you can integrate into the Pulsair. It's the RWF T1. An integrated thermostat is a good alternative that does the job, but like the conventional copper weld thermostat, it's not as accurate. So I recommend an integrated thermostat only if it's impossible to install a wall model. If temperature accuracy is not vitally important in the room you want to heat, an integrated thermostat is also a reasonable alternative choice. You could also control the Pulsair using a wall timer. A wall-mounted timer is ideal in cases where the Pulsair is used only as a backup heater, in the bathroom, for example. A 30-minute or 60-minute timer is perfect for heating the room quickly. What you want to do is increase your comfort level if you decide you want to take a quick shower. What's practical is that at the end of the heating cycle, the unit simply stops. The room doesn't overheat, which reduces unnecessary heating costs. Without a doubt, the Pulsair RWF series offers the best possible price-quality ratio. So if you have a tight budget and you cannot install a conventional baseboard heater because of lack of space, I recommend you install this model. It's the best possible choice. To choose the Pulsair model that best suits the room you want to heat, I suggest you go visit Stelpro Design's website. You'll also find a new heat calculator. You can use this handy software tool to accurately calculate the heating capacity of the model you need to heat a particular room in your house. This site is also a great way to explore all the models available because it's regularly updated. You'll also find complete information on product warranty. Regarding the installation of a Pulsair unit, you have two choices. You may have it installed directly on the wall, or you may have it flush mounted. If you've chosen to have the unit installed directly on the wall, plan on ordering a surface sleeve matching the color of the front panel. Now, this way, the sleeve will conceal the part of the unit body that's not flush with the wall. Furthermore, please ask a qualified master electrician to install your unit. It's always better and safer. If you don't have a qualified electrician, I recommend that you contact your local Master Electrician Association. There, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. For more information on the Pulsair RWF, simply contact the people from Stelpro Design via their website or dial 1-866-628-5776.